Being a carer of someone with cancer is all-embracing. It affects every minute of every day in one way, shape or form, whether that means getting up early to go to the shops before the patient wakes up, or fitting in all the tasks that everyday life needs to encompass, as well as then adding to that busy daily life with even more challenges around being the carer of that patient.
Every day just feels like something to get through.
Not knowing what you do, you're doing the right thing.
You've just constantly got to move from one thing to another and react. It's a very reactive existence. Can't make plans.
It stops you doing the things you want to do in your life.
So I go to work in the morning not knowing what the day is going to bring.
I think the role of a carer is emotionally draining.
You worry all the time. You worry if they don't call you. You worry when you call them and they don't pick up.
And it's overwhelming, the worry. Is it going to spread? How worse are they going to get? Will you be able to manage? Will they be able to manage?
You try to put a brave face on and try to keep a positive mental attitude to help the person you're caring for. It feels sometimes like you're locked in a bit of a lie.
Sometimes you're not able to put yourselves in the shoes of the patient because you've got so many other challenges or thoughts going on that despite your best intentions, the things you say may be taken in the wrong way, and that can be very frustrating.
And sometimes the person you're caring for can come across as selfish, which is awful considering everything they're going through, but that's how it feels sometimes. They don't have room to consider other people's exhaustion or work life or well-being.
You feel guilty over your feelings, so you go home and you mull them over all night so you don't get no sleep. So the next day, not only you get up late, you're tired and you're starting again.
In terms of your relationship, it becomes very strained because the person wants their independence, they want to be autonomous. They've lost enough, they become reliant on others and they can resent that. So then that puts a strain on your relationship because as much as you want to be there, you're trying to allow them that independence.
You become a carer, so instead of looking at him as your dad, you look at him as a patient, so you don't have that same bond.
Although the love's still there, it does change in some way.
As well-meaning as everybody around you can be, sometimes they don't really understand, so you sometimes get unwanted advice as well. It's quite easy for people to say, oh, look after yourself and make time for yourself, but the reality is it's very difficult to do that.
You might just give your friends a text and say, this has happened today, I can't meet up with you tonight. And the more you do it, the more your friends push away because they think you haven't got the time for them anymore. So you lose friendships.
It's just unbearably hard trying to juggle everything and do everything and manage everything when you've just got so much grief because you're grieving already because you know what's next, what's going to happen.
It's heartbreaking is what it is to be doing all these things and feel that time's against you. I mean, it's the biggest privilege you can have, but it's heartbreaking.